We're busy here over here at the Barbafunkatorium doing work. You probably got things you got to do too. Take a look at what we're doing. All our aluminum parts here that we're cleaning. Holding oven where I'll hold briskets and whatnot. And there's a controller right there. I'm going to rewire. So the point of this video, it's not what we're doing. It's what we could be doing instead of doing what we're doing, which is, I bet, exactly what you guys at the plants, refineries, factories, farms, hell, even business offices, auto mechanics place, countless other jobs, you work. So is there any reason why you shouldn't have a good barbecue? Let me show you something. It's my Super55, which I call the sexy MF. And it's been purring along, and we're cooking one rack of ribs and a turkey breast. And it's just been going on all day, completely unattended at 250 degrees. I don't have to do anything to it. So remember, if you got other shit to do, get yourself a Super55. It's got to be the easiest thing. And as you can see, I got a PBX to choose from. I got a grill I could choose from. I got a Pit Boss Pro Series I could choose from. I've got a Pit Barrel Junior. I've got a Badger. I got this beast right here, which is pretty much hands-on. It's a gravity feed. But what do I choose? Super55, and you could too. Send me a DM right now. I'll let you know how you can save up to 10% on this great Super55. You can build one on your own, or they'll build one for you.
I can tear shit up, y'all. That's the style. These are the days of wild.